In this lesson, we will talking about capacity.
Capacity is the volume of the inner space of a hollow solid, which means that how many centimeter cube will the solid hold, or how many meter cube, or how many millimeter cube. At first, we have to know how to convert units. To get the capacity of a liquid, we have to use liter and milliliter. And as we said before, that liter is the same unit of decimeter cube, and centimeter cube is equal or equivalent milliliter. So we know how to convert from meter to decimeter cube or to liter, or to convert from big unit to small unit, we have to multiply. So we multiply by 1,000. And as the same from a change from decimeter cube to centimeter cube, as the same if we change from centimeter cube to millimeter cube. If you want to change from small unit to big unit, we have to divide as the same number. Divide by 1,000, divide by 1,000, divide by 1,000. So now we will convert some units as
Here we will change from 4 meter cube to decimeter cube. So here we will change from big unit to small unit. So we have to multiply. So to convert from meter cube to decimeter cube, we multiply by 1,000. So 4 times 1,000 equal 4,000. Another example, if we convert from 6,500 decimeter cube to meter cube. Here we change from a small unit to big unit, so we have to divide. Divide by what? Here we will divide by 1,000. So 6,500 divided 1,000, it will be equal 6.5.
We have here some examples from school book. Internal edge length is 30 centimeter. We have here a note. If he wants the capacity of a solid, he must give me the internal dimension or the internal edge length. So he wants first me to calculate the capacity of the vessel. So here the vessel is the shape of cube. So the capacity or internal volume equal side times side times side, as we took before in volume. So it will be 30 times 30 times 30. It will be equal 27,000 centimeter cube. The second, he says that if the price of 1 liter of food oil is 9.5 pounds, calculate the price of all oil. He say 1 liter, so we have to change from centimeter cube to liter, as liter is decimeter cube. To change from centimeter cube to decimeter cube, I have to divide by 1,000, so it will be 27 liter. And now the price, it will be the price of 1 liter times is the number of liters as 9.5 times 27. It will be equal 256.5 pounds. In this example, he says that a container has 12 liters of honey. It wanted to be put in small vessel bottles, okay? The capacity of each of them 400 centimeter cube. Calculate the number of bottles. We know here as a note, if he wants a number of anything, we do these steps. We get the big volume and the small volume and divide big volume by small volume, or big capacity divided by small capacity. So what is the capacity of honey? It's 12 liters, but the capacity of the vessel 400 centimeter cube. So we have to convert the units. So 12 liter equal 12,000 centimeter cube to make divide. So now number of bottles or fizzles equal 12,000 divided by 400, which will be equal 30 bottle. In this example, he says that a patient take a medicine spoon of capacity 3 milliliter daily in the morning and at evening. So in one day, he take how many milliliters? Of course, it takes 6 milliliters in one day, as he take one in morning and one in evening. So he says that after how many days the patient take 240 centimeter cube from the medicine. He need a number. So I have to here divide the big volume divided by small volume, or big capacity divided by small capacity. So here the capacity of the medicine, it will be 3 plus 3, it will be 6 milliliter. As I change here this unit, as it will be 6 centimeter cube. It is the same unit. Okay, so to get the number of days, it will be equal 240 divided by 6, it is the same unit, centimeter cube. The answer will be 40 days. This example is very important. He says that a container in a shape of cuboid, its internal dimensions are length equal 25 centimeter and width equal 30 centimeter and height 42 centimeter. There are the dimensions of the container, but he says that amount of solar is put in it. Its height third the height of the container. So he says that calculate the capacity of the solar. He wants the capacity of solar, but here we know that the solar put in a container at the shape of cuboid. So the solar will take the shape of the same shape of the container. Okay, so to get the capacity of the solar, we will use the rule of capacity of cuboid. As first, I have to get the height of solar, which is third the height of container, as I have to divide 42 by 3, which will be 14 centimeter. So to get the capacity of solar, it will be equal length times width times height. It will be 25 times 30 times 14, which will be equal 10,500 centimeter cube. To get this capacity in liters, I have to divide by 1000, so it will be 10.5 liters.